What's good, you guys? It's your boy Aviation 484 here, and I'm back with another awesome model review. This is the NG Models British Airways 77-10 Dreamliner. This is the second Dreamliner. The first one was G-ZBLB, which I missed out on when NG released that, I think, last year, possibly. This was the only model I got from the February releases or January releases. Oh, I don't remember, but this is the only model I got from there. So yeah, I saw this. I remember when this model was delivered. The ZBLA, I don't remember. I don't think I was there for. I mean, not in person, but when I saw the video come out and stuff. I forgot who the channel was, but I saw this plane landing from Heathrow, from Charleston. If you guys don't know Charleston, Charleston is in South Carolina. There's a Boeing factory there, so this plane was made there, and it was made in Charleston, and then it was delivered to British Airways on July 1st, 2020. Now there's at the moment 2 British Airways 77-10s in British Airways' fleet. At the time I'm recording this, but they were supposed to. Everything is being delayed because of everything that's going on. And it was supposed to be delivered in like December of 2019 or January 2020, but it was pushed back to June and July. This one was delivered, I just said, in July. So yeah, that's a little unfortunate, but at least they got at least they got the planes. But it was so cool to see like the flight of this plane from Charleston, South Carolina to London. So like as their delivery flight. So it was landing, and it was awesome to see. I couldn't find really much videos for ZBLA, but I found that video for ZBLB, so that's awesome. So that's why I decided, one of the reasons why I wanted to get this plane is because I wanted a modern British Airways aircraft. This is the first modern one, so it's good to have, so I was happy to have it. So, and plus I saw the inaugural flight from Charleston to London, so that's awesome. Not in person, of course, but on the YouTube, So anyways, so the box is very nice. I like how it's red on the top, and it's kind of purplish color in the middle, and then it transitions to blue. And it says British Airways right here. The British Airways, they have their stylized crown logo, which is awesome. They also have their titles here, a little bit small. That crown logo is located right there, if you could see. I'll show you, but here's the top. This is kind of similar to the United box, but it's just dark blue and red. And then I'll just show you the top. Red. Sides. Bottom I just showed you. Blue. Oh, side. The left side. So, back, kind of the same design and stuff. But, yeah, really awesome. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. So, funny thing is, I noticed is that the foam is not under. There's no foam. Sorry, not foam. There's no the plastic casing. If you guys remember my United, I think the American and a couple of others, they had the foam in the bottom, but here this one doesn't. It's kind of odd, but I think they're trying to cut down the cost or something, because it is a little expensive to make extra plastic for the bottom. So that's good. I mean, it's okay. It doesn't really bother me, but yeah. So best just slowly. You have to be very careful when you take this model out because the foam is quite tight. There we go. I'm very careful with my models. I like to take care of them as much because I value them a lot because I like to take care of them and be as careful as possible with them. So let's get started. So alright, so we got the model out. Let's get that pencil. Then here we have the cockpit windows. See the windshield wipers. Then here, BLB, part of the registration, nose cone. Then we have the nose gear door registration again, or part of it. British Airways titles, the logo, the L1 entry door, One World logo. I forgot what this logo was called. It's a very cool logo. It's been British Airways' logo since 1997, I believe. So yeah, L2 door, and here's that crown logo there. For some reason, a lot of people like to call it the Queen's logo, but it's not actually the Queen's logo. It's actually specifically a British special stylized British Airways logo. The logo of the Queen, of course, it's very similar, but this is the British Airways crown logo. If you looked it up on the internet or something, it's, yeah. I forgot what it said, but like it said something to fly to serve or something on the banner underneath it, but on the logo. But if you can see a better view on the internet. L1 entry door, Rolls-Royce logo on these are very nice Rolls-Royce engines. Red navigation light. Then we have L4 door. Whoops, what's that? Okay. Sorry, L3 door. Oh, I can't. L4 door. The Royal Mail logo. Right there. Golf Zulu Bravo Lima Bravo. Registration. And British Airways. And the British Airways, iconic British Airways tail. Then we have the APU. Very nice. The cargo doors here and here, so that's really cool. Green navigation light, and yeah, so yeah, it's very nice model. I'm gonna show you the top and bottom. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what happened, but the camera cut out. I don't know what exactly happened, but whatever, we're back. And yeah, let's get on with the top and bottom. Okay. If I'm kind of quiet, I do apologize. Just a couple of people are sleeping in my house, so I just want to be quiet. So here we have the pilot escape hatch, some lights here, anti-collision light, beacon lights, antenna, Wi-Fi box, flap slats, ailerons, spoilers, no step markings, all that awesome information. Satcom. Yeah, that might be a Satcom. Antennas. Tail illumination lights that light up the tail. Of course at night. Very cool. Then we have the bottom here. The nose gear. Yes, the nose gear doors. A couple of very nice, some, I guess, not lights, yeah, possibly, not lights, but there's a couple of markings. The RAT system. No, wait, that's not the RAT system. Sorry. This is the RAT system right here. I don't know what this this gray square is. No, the stand hole, main gears, the main gear doors, registration, wings, yeah, all those awesome details. Antenna, APU housing doors. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Oh no, before I get into the outro, sorry, I always do this. But yeah, so I just wanted to quickly say, in case for people's information, so Boeing has several factories. There's 2 in California. There's one in South Carolina. There's one in Washington State. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. This exact plane, G-ZBLB, I just said it several times in the beginning, but this plane was built in Charleston, South Carolina. And I actually saw that, like, not inaugural flight, but I saw the video of it, and it was really cool to see. So that actually inspired me the most to get this model, that video. It was really cool. Usually I don't know, this is kind of a silly reason, but I've always wanted like a modern British Airways aircraft. I was waiting for either A350 or the 787-10s or anything. I was tempted to get the one from Gemini Jets, but I decided to go with this one. When NG was releasing this, and the box design I saw was awesome, so I just, you know what? I had to get it. So yeah, that's one of the reasons. That's just why I got this model. It's just an amazing aircraft, and I'm finally glad. I have a 747, which they retired last year, which is unfortunate. I do have the Concorde, and I have Vickers, Super Vickers aircraft. So yeah, not really modern aircraft for British Airways' fleet, so I decided to get this one. Very modern. So yeah, it's really cool. Yes, that's all I have to say for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. And put in the comment below what you think of this model. Put in the comments below if you want it. If you want ZBLA, that's unfortunately sold out, but they still have this available. At least at the moment I'm recording this, they still have it available. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.